gotta be shaky.
So Fajardo sent in definitely for defense purposes, and ito si Fajardo, kala mo gaganyan-ganyan yan. Napakagaling sa depensa.
Sabi nga ni Noel.
Balanse.
Noel told me, you watch her. Before pa, sabi niya, para kang may dalawang libero. Oo nga, no?
Totoo. Ito ba yung mga palo na, let's say, galing kay Marciano? Hindi biro yun.
Para sa kanya, madali lang.
Buwis buhay yan. Sabi nga ni Noel.
Oo nga eh. Batchery! Flips the line.
But that time, Laborte and Fajardo, just too much space in between them.
Well, Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. So Molina now serving for PNP. Rochina to Rosale. Davi was there, Concepcion. Back to Samuang. Nabasa na ni Rafica.
Shisa ni Brida. Free ball ngayon.
Concepcion to Dave. Batchery. Off the block.
Kahit dalawa, sabi niya, kahit dalawang libero pa yung nasa inyo, Batchery will take that point. At ang magandang nakikita ko sa PNP, mukhang magkakakilala na sila ng todo, diba? Dahil ganun talaga especially when you have guest players and mga bagong mukha dun sa team. Iba talaga, medyo mahirap.
So you see the familiarity.
That's why when you see, let's say, Philippine Army play, they're used to playing with each other.
Oh, yeah.
And sanay na together.
Oh, Fajardo.
Even yung Air Force.
Si Fajardo umabot sa harap.
Last pumalo.
No!
That could have gone out. Poor read there ni Brida.
Parang we all know now, Fajardo now in front. Normally talaga sa likod lang siya. I guess...
At normally, katabi ko yan dito. Mas normally doon, katabi natin yan dito.
Rochina, Samuang, Concepcion. That's all we can say.
Yeah. Okay.
PNP is up ahead, 8-5.